Hi, I'm Giselle Martinez with the Newbie Realtor, and today we're going to cover the Realtor job description. There are four main job descriptions that you should focus on in order to get your business started. Number 4 on your list of your job description as a realtor is to practice and role play. You have to get in front of other people, whether it's another realtor, your spouse, your kids, your best friend, your glass of wine on a Friday night buddy, whoever it may be. Practice and role play every single possible scenario. Now, what does practice and role play really look like? Hello! Thank you so much for inviting me over to your house today. I'm really excited about the opportunity of listing your home. So, can you tell me a little bit more about it? Well, it's 1980s. It was built, and I don't know what kind of walls these are. I think the flooring is tile, maybe. I don't know. But you know better. You know better, right? Well, you're right. I will take a look around, and I will search out every corner of this house, and I'll try to look at it through the eyes of a buyer. So while I'm doing that, why don't you have a seat and fill out this simple survey? Okay, yeah, sure. You go ahead. I'll be with you in a minute. I can't believe I gotta sit down and figure this out for her. I gotta do her job too? Huh. So as you can see, role play can be super fun and funny, and I hope you got a laugh out of that. But anyway, sit down with someone and seriously go through what you would say if you sit down in front of someone whose home you would like to list. Or sit down with someone and go through some scripts with buyers or potential buyers, the things that you would say to them and how you would talk to them about what they are interested in, how to qualify them, things like that. Again, the office that you're with should have scripts for you to follow, but if you don't have any, and if you don't have any access to some, leave me a message in the comments, and I'll try to get some out to you. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and leave as many comments down below. I would love to interact with all of you and give you my information if you'd like to be able to reach out in the future. And I will see you in my next video.